This is Cyndy G, and in this video we are going to assemble the Rainboot box card. So I have the pieces laid out. I have already put together each flower part. So we can just quickly go over those. You just have a center for like the daisy, and then there's 3 pieces for the daffodil and 2 pieces for each tulip. Okay. So I am to identify your pieces, the front and the back of your card have one side that is longer than the other. So this is a 1/2 inch and this is 1 inch. And you have 2 pieces like that, this one and this one. And they should be opposite each other, which piece is long and which piece is short. And so we're just gonna glue. So whatever color you cut this base piece is going to be the color of your leaves. So you'll need to keep that in mind when you're choosing your color scheme. And because all of my pieces are cut out of the same color, top and bottom, like my tulip and my daffodils, I inked the top pieces so that I would have some contrasting color there. Now your tabs on the back piece, which has the taller flowers, the tabs are going to fold up, okay? Because this is the inside. And you can see where each piece goes. You can see the top of at least one side of each flower to know where to place it. And they're all the same size, so it doesn't matter which one you choose to go where. Okay. And then the tabs on the front piece fold back. And then we're just going to go ahead and attach these pieces. So I'm just going to put glue here, here. Okay. Now you can see that that is making up the box. Okay. And then we're just going to stand this up. Okay, doesn't want to stand. And then do the insert. Okay. Okay. And then we're going to fold our tabs. Oops. Open them out flat. I'm going to put glue on the left-hand side tabs. We're going to stand our card up and lay this right against the back. Slide it right in there tight, right into the corner. Might have a little bit too much glue on that top one. Fold it both ways, front and back. Okay, and then on these two tabs, 4 tabs, we are going to put our glue. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Leave these down flat. And we're just going to fold this right over and grab these tabs. Okay, do be careful not to put too much glue. You don't want to glue your card shut. Fold it both ways to train it, okay? So there is the base of our card, and now let's pull in our boots. So one of these pieces is a little bit smaller than the other one. That's the way it's supposed to be. Okay. On the bottom piece, I'm going to start with the tread first. Now on these pieces, because they are right up against the same color on the other side, on the underneath boot, I did ink. And I'm just pushing this down just right up against the tread. But I did ink just right here on the edges, and I inked around the edge of the boot to distinguish the two pieces. And you can see this one is, when we line up the tread, it is just a little bit bigger because they have to look like a pair of boots standing, okay? So go. Okay. And then I think that I want to use some foam tape here on this piece. Okay. All right. Now, it just lines up right along the back edge and the bottom. Just want to make sure I have it level. There we go. Yes, I do like that dimension. And then this will glue right in place. Okay. And there it is. There is the Rainboot box card. Thank you for joining me.